Mr. Chair, nakarating po na ngayong araw na ito, no, may report na nakatakas daw yung mga presong involved mula dito sa PIDEA detention.
Your Honor, that's true. At 3 a.m. this morning, it is now being investigated by the regional director in coordination with the Philippine National Police.
Ano bang nangyari, Mr. Chair?
Your Honor, what I got is that they were able to open the roofing of the jail facility.
Yun lang po.
We were on our way here to attend the hearing when I was talking to our regional director, so I still don't have so much details about the incident, Your Honor.
Yun po ang problema dito, Mr. Chair, no? Pag bumalik na naman po ang illegal na droga, babalik na naman ang kriminalidad, babalik na naman po ang korupsyon sa gobyerno. Habang pinag-uusapan natin dito, itong issue ng sa PIDEA, meron pang malaking problema ang ating PIDEA, nakatakas pa, nahuli na nakatakas pa. So, yun lang po, Mr. Chair, magtulungan po dapat ang gobyerno para masugpo
Recording in
itong
progress.
kinakatakutan nating illegal na droga, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Your Honor, Senator Bongo.